us now have an opportunity to see what actually happened to Kofi, and I think it's very evident. If you look at this video, these officers didn't waste any time. These guys in full SWAT riot uniforms.
Sure, I think what's really changed is the focus of our protest. Prior to this one, we've mostly directed it against administration and UPD. And as far as administration goes, I think we've been pretty successful in terms of setting up meetings with them. We've had 2 since the time of our last protest, and they've said that they're really improving mental health on campus, or they're going to be working towards that. And 2, that as far as meeting our other demands, they're kind of waiting on these other reports to be released. And so our focus at this point is the person who can release reports and commission a grand jury investigation to release really the definitive report is going to be State Attorney Bill Cervone. So the focus has shifted away from administration and is now squarely on the State Attorney.
They were hoping that all the students would go away this summer and that the thing would quiet down and people would forget about it over the course of the summer, but that is not going to happen, folks. We are staying here in this town, and we are not going to leave until the charges are dropped and we win justice for Kofi.
Justice! Now! Justice! Now! Justice! SCE is what we want! It's justice, not brutality! J.U.S.
Late last week, we received from the Florida Department of Law Enforcement their investigation. It's several hundred pages long. It's been assigned to a prosecutor in our office to review. That'll take no less than 2 weeks. There may be other follow-up investigation that may be done before charging decisions are made. So we are open to any and all comments, including yours, including everybody that's contacted our office. But we will at some point. Absolutely, it'll be public record. No, sir. That's not exactly the case. Sir, I'm not going to debate the merits. I wasn't out there that night. I don't know exactly all the facts in this case. We just received the report. I think you should give us an opportunity and some time to review it and answer the questions that we may have, and then the State Attorney will make charging decisions at that point.
More people know about this now. This is something that's now starting to get picked up by other people. Now that we have a video, people are able to really connect with the vile imagery on screen. And I think more than that, we have now addressed really every person who's been in authority. And really, the buck stops right here today. And so, you know, this is where we're going from the summer. This is our launch pad, and it's not over.